Okay, so I got the first row on, and you can see I almost got 1/4 inch seam allowances here, a little less, and I almost got the line to come out straight, pretty close. And then a little hangover nubby piece is not enough for me even to bother to trim off. But it's almost perfectly square, almost sort of enough, close enough for horseshoes. Get it? My dad would have laughed at that. So then you put the next piece on, and that goes the same way. The 90-degree angle goes out over here, and you lay it down, overlapping, so where the seam will come in right at a 1/4 inch, right in the valley of where you overlapped. And you do 4 of those around. And then you do the other ones the other way. So the other 3 pieces I did the other way. You can see instead of the point going up here, the point goes up here. So you'll end up with 3 going this way and 3 going this way. And when you're all done, mine came out, they're supposed to be 12.5 inches, and mine came out to 12.25 inches. And it's just because I'm not a perfect sewer, and I'm never going to be. So it doesn't matter because you can just trim your boot blocks down to 12.25 inches. As long as they're all the same, your quilt will come out perfectly fine. So I'm going to finish making these. We'll be back in a sec. Yay! The blocks are all done. I have 6 perfectly appliqued boot blocks, and if you believe that, there's some swampland in Florida I know you might like. And then 2 almost square horse blocks, 3 of them are going this way, and 3 of them are going this way, so you can kind of see some are tilted this way, and some are tilted this way. And I'm just going to follow the picture of the quilt and lay them out. So the top row is a boot block in the center, and then a horse that's going this way. So that horse is leaning down in, and you can see the line leaning down in. And then another the opposite way. And the second row is
boot block and a horse leaning. That's leaning this way. And a boot block. I really do think if you found a store that had all the fabrics, if all the boots were different, I kind of think that'd make it a more interesting quilt. And then the third row, because all these boots being exactly the same, just for a nice uniformity, but I think different boots are always better. The more boots, the better. So this is the next one. See, it's leaning this way, which is leaning the same way as that way, so that looks correct. And this one is leaning this way. You see that's leaning the same way as that way. And then the bottom row, this must be the one, it's the only one left.
and the last one. So then it's just a simple sew the blocks together, sew the rows together. So I'm just going to sew the blocks together and press the seams on this row going one way and press the seams on this row going the other way. And then I'll put the rows together and the center will be done. Back in a jiff.